Hi Karan Bhaiya and Crystal B. Love you two so much. Say बहुत ज़्यादा. Say भी बहुत ज़्यादा. You are the best. I watch your show only for Virika. Virika is the sweetest, cutest and best couple. You two are the main attraction of the show. And Kriyan is the funniest, craziest and the most fun-loving couple ever. Love each and every interview of yours and wait for another one every day, each day. Keep rocking. P.S. Karan Bhaiya, did you play with your yo-yo?
Every day. You know, honestly, people think I'm mental. Because I come down walking with my dog with a yo-yo in my hand. It's very cute. Thank you.
You have a yo-yo?
I also get gifts, you know.
Aww, you're a star. Hey Karan, hey Crystal, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. You both are that's from Kanishka. Okay, the previous one was from Kanishka.
I know.
Hey Karan, hey and Crystal, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. You both are just amazing and fabulous. Karan, you're just mind-blowing. You're just a mind-blowing actor. You're Adai hi. You're Adai hi.
So you're Adai hi. You're not Punjabi, na? Someone here.
Girls go dead seeing you. Whenever I see you, I start blushing. And then my mom is like, why are you smiling alone? That kind of situation you create. Crystal, you're just sweet and cutie pie. I love your smile and eyes. It's the best. You're truly beautiful and a great actress. Together, Virika, Kriyan. Kriyan? Oh, okay. Kriyan, right?
It's Kriyan.
Kriyan. Okay, Kriyan. Together, Virika and Kriyan is the best. Awesome. Love you both. Keep rocking. From Shalisha. Hello Crystal and Karan. Love you both a lot. No doubt I'm deeply and madly in love with...
Why don't you read like that so we can see your face very well?
Okay. No doubt I'm deeply and madly in love with Karan and Crystal as Virika. You guys rock. And especially I want to mention a few scenes where both of you were mind-blowing. The finger locks. The totally drunk scene.
She's very natural, yeah, on those.
Listen, you're gonna give them an impression like I sit and drink. My God.
No, Catholic comes to naturally.
But it's not like that. I do not. My God. The finger locks, the tully drunk scene. Kheer scenes. Oh, kheer.
I don't know.
There was no sugar and you had the whole
You had the whole thing and then I had you for the first time.
You had it. सब याद है तुम्हें?
Sneezing. Sneezing. God bless you. And the best was the Goa dance sequence. Oh, simply adorable.
That dance sequence though. Just Goa, yeah.
What is wrong with you, Karan? This is still
No,
the
that
same
dance
person.
was actually a lot of fun.
Wait, was still the same person. Let me finish one question.
You keep it far enough so I can read it. Not so far.
Now coming to your interviews, they are even better than the show. You guys are such a
No,
laughter.
I agree.
You guys are such a laughter riot. And Crystal, special mention for you. Karan was always like that in interviews, but you are giving takkar to takkar. In fact, first time I am loving Karan's interviews with his co-star. Best lines from your interview. OCD. Compulsive. When Crystal said it in some accent and Karan said, where did I learn?
OCD!
OCD!
Oh my God.
No, I said obsessive compulsive disorder and you said something like that. Okay, anyway. Compulsive. When Crystal said it in some accent and Karan said, where did I learn English from? Oxford?
What you learning English from? Oxford? I don't know that actually.
And I said, look who's talking.
Judge!
And many more. Wish you would...
Oh, it's from Swati. What's up, Swati?
What's up, Swati?
सीधा आवाज वहाँ तक ही जा रही है.
What's up, Swati? Wish you both great luck, love and support. Always, Hamesha. Bless you, Swati the baby. Do you want to read the next one? Should I continue reading?
Just because this one's very long, you want to
No, I
get liar, right?
I
Nah. This one is from this one's from Manhoor Khan from Sheffield, UK. It says, Dear Karan and Crystal, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually getting the chance to express my love for both of y'all. Eek. Okay, this is very girly, but I'm still going to try reading this. Eek! Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity, Fuse. Christu, Angel, you already know me. We talk on Facebook.
I'm Manhoor.
She didn't, because when I said Manur Khan, she had no reaction.
No, I was busy with the thing, yeah. I heard you say the name in the end. I swear. I know.
I just love how you interact with your fans. It's ever so sweet. You're the most gorgeous woman on earth. I'm your youngest fan, and I'm sure I'm only
It's
11.
only 11.
वो तो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है ना, ऐसे ऐसे
No,
pretend
I
करके
know,
तुमको पता
yeah.
है.
I know her. She talks to my mom. Also.
अच्छा.
Really?
So basically, the person who's replying to you on Facebook is not her, it's her mother. I'm telling you.
No, she talks to my mom.
मैं
also.
सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ, मुझसे पूछो. But I'm crazy for you and Karan. Crystal, I loved you from the Baat Hamari Pakki Hai days, to be honest. But I saw you as Jivika with the amazing Karan Thacker and went crazy over both girl. OMG,
Oh my God.
oh my god, how can anyone look so perfect? It's incredible. Your on-screen chemistry is amazing. You are the most romantic couple on the screen. My dear Virika. Off-screen you share an amazing dosti wali chemistry, sabse best dost. Love both of you all, just love you. I can't put it in words how much I love both of you all. Keep rocking guys. Love you lots. Love you lots and lots and lots of hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. This one's, wow. This one, I'm going to read a little bit of everything. This one's from Yamini. It says, hey Karan and Crystal, this is Yamini from Canada. Hey Yamini. I belong to India but been in Canada for the last 5 years.
Sorry.
I've been following your work since Lovely. Oh, Karan, I've been following your work since Lovely Milani Jodi. You instantly became my favorite actor since Vaina. Thank you so much. I didn't watch RBO because I didn't find time, but I did see bits and parts of you there, and you did a fabulous part even there. Sameer and Shantanu and now Viren. Viren's got to be my favorite character currently. When I first started this show, I had no idea that you would be playing the male lead. I just knew about two sisters. Believe me, I feel the same. Even I don't know I'm playing the male lead. Even I thought it's a story about two sisters. But I was really excited. Of course, I started following the show. Right now, Heroine's in love with you. I think the character is amazing. Viren and Jivika, I think your chemistry reflects on screen. I absolutely adore both your friendship. Seems like both of you all know each other really damn well. And whenever there's an interview, both of you all, I go crazy waiting for it. That's really sweet. Thank you. But I'm going to move on to the next one. This one's from Vidya. Hey guys, you all super cute together. You portray characters really well. Lots of love from USA. Thank you so much, Vidya.
Go on.
You want to read it?
Go on.
नहीं तुम पढ़ लो.
नहीं मुझे नहीं पढ़ना.
तुम हंस क्यों रही है?
मुझे
Mental
मजा
गोदी में बैठे हो, चढ़ जाओ मेरी.
मैं अरे तुम मुझे बोल रहे थे ऐसे रखो मुझे भी पढ़ना है ना.
This one's from, if I got this right, Nabamita. Hey, I'm Nabamita from Kolkata. I want to say that I'm a huge fan of Karan and Crystal. I'm a regular viewer of Ek Hazar Mein. I got addicted to the Jodi and I completely am addicted. Virika's Kadda. Oh, we would like to request Karan, to join our group Virikain's Kadda. I should do that. And make posts every day. We will. Thank you so much. गाओ अच्छा लगा मुझे सुनने में. एक मेरा खुदा
सितारे भी वही है
वही ये चांद भी है मगर अब रोशनी है कल से कुछ ज्यादा. आगे हमको भी लिरिक्स नहीं आते.
तेरी ही ये नजर
तो आते तो गाओ ना.
दिखाई लाख रंग है तेरे बिन था ये मौसम कल तलक सादा तू है जीने की अदा तू है सांस की दुआ.
Thank you.
And
Aren't you happy in your life? Sorry to run through this, but we don't have enough time on the footage. But hey Karan, I loved you since Lovely Milani Jodi. Thank you so much. My life ended for a while because I had nothing to look forward to, and I'm glad there was Rang Bharati over me. Well, keep rocking all your endeavors, whether it's advertisements or anything. Thank you so much, Jodi. To Karan. Hey Karan, how are you doing? This is from Rubina from Malaysia. Hey Rubina, what's up? How are you doing? I'm a big fan of yours from Malaysia. I loved you as Shantanu and Nazri. Thank you. Both you guys have a sizzling chemistry on screen, and it's a treat to watch both of you all together. Please come to Malaysia for once. I would love to be your tour guide. Wish I could meet you someday. I actually love Malaysia.
I love
I love the
Malaysia
shopping
too.
there, and I like the fact that you can just drive out to what is that place where you can gamble. You know what I mean, right? Yeah.
All I know about Malaysia is Bolo. She'll figure it out.
Take care. Love you, Crystal. Oh, there's hi, Crystal. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you.
You're adorable.
Thank you.
Jeevika and Manvi seems that a treat to watch. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. This one's from Ariba. Hey Tucker and Crystal, big fan.
Tucker.
She loves the chemistry, and thank you so much. Thank
Tata,
you so
you're a
much.
sweetheart, hot.
Thank you so much.
And Crystal used to be cute as well.
This one's from Saga from UK. I adore both of y'all, and I just love Verika. Thank you so much.
Hi, Sarah.
This one's from Surashti in Canada. Since both Karan and Crystal have relatives in Canada, do you plan on visiting Canada sometime soon? We'd both love to, yeah. Honestly, I've heard there's like some really beautiful lakes there, and it's really scenic. I'd actually love to come there.
Thanks.
Yeah, it is.